A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, I hope you have done very well in your second periodic assessment. So, today we are moving on to our computer chapter number. Here is our last chapter, more on internet. Yes, dear children, today we will be moving to part 1 of this chapter. Okay, tell me, dear children, what you see in this picture, what you observe. There are many signals which are connected, yes, all over the world. There is a globe, okay, and these all are the signals which are connected to one another. Yes, so it can be possible with the help of internet only. Yes, dear children. So you understood what is the meaning of internet? Connection between people all over the world? Yes. So today first we will see the history of internet. Yes. In 1969, the Department of Defense of United States of America set up a network of computers that is called the ARPANET. You have to learn the full form, okay? Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was started with one computer in California and three in Utah. Now, it was started with one computer in California and three in Utah. The aim was to share the information on research and development in the field of science and technology. Now, what was the aim? To develop a set of computers to gather the information on research and development? Yes. To share the information to one another? Yes. In that way only internet was developed. It was developed by the Department of Defense of United States of America. Yes, dear children. Later, the Department of Defense allowed universities to share the network, yes, to share the network resources, and gradually it grew bigger, taking the shape of the present day internet. Yes, understood? It was developed, internet was developed by the Department of Defense of United States of America, known as ARPANET, a network of computers known as ARPANET. Okay, why it was developed? To share the information on research and development in the field of science and technology. Yes, and gradually it grew bigger and bigger, वो और बड़ा होता गया, and it formed the shape of the internet as today we are using the internet. वो वैसे आया था. Understood? Yes. Next. Next we are having the meaning of internet. Now, communication means sending or receiving information. You all know that very much clear. Yes, communication क्या है? Information send करना या receive करना. A network refers to a group of computers connected together. Now, what is a network? The meaning of network is एक ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स जो एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड हो. यस, एक ऐसे कंप्यूटर्स जो एक दूसरे का कनेक्टेड हो, इट विल बी कॉल्ड नेटवर्क. ओके, इंटरनेट स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क. Internet stands for interconnected network. It is the biggest network of computers. It connects millions of computers across the world by the means of cables, telephone wires or some wireless media of communication. Now what is a network? ये एक ऐसा communication, ये एक ऐसा network of computers है जो connect करता है millions of peoples, millions of computers across the world with the help of cables, telephone wires or some wireless media also. The computers connected to the internet can easily access the information available on other computers. अब जो भी computers internet से connected है वो सारी information देख सकते हैं, share कर सकते हैं. Yes, dear children, if we are having the internet in our computers, we can search any information, we can get the information, and also we can share our information as well. Yes, you can share the information to your friends, relatives, anyone, all across the world. Next, World Wide Web. Now, you have always seen that while entering a website name, there is www. The full form is World Wide Web. World Wide Web, also known as web, is a system of interlinked pages that contains a variety of information that can be accessed via internet by people all over the world. Now, what is www? ये एक ऐसा इंटरलिंक्ड पेजेस है जिसमें क्या है, ये पेजेस सारे इंटरलिंक्ड है। उन पेजेस में बहुत सारी वैरायटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन होती है। यस, and we can get that all the variety of information with the help of the internet. Yes, dear children, clear? It forms only one part of the internet. To access the world wide web you need a web browser. Now जब हमको वेबसाइट कुछ भी like if you want to search on any website, like nowadays you are there is Amazon, there is Myntra, so आप किस में एंटर कर रहे हो वेबसाइट का नेम? इन द वेब ब्राउजर. सो टू रन द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, दैट इज टू रन अ वेबसाइट, वी नीड अ वेब ब्राउजर, डियर चिल्ड्रन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द वेब ब्राउजर? नाउ वी गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स. हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है बहुत सारी वेबसाइट से. दीज वेबसाइट्स ओपन इन अ स्पेशल सॉफ्टवेयर नोन एज वेब ब्राउजर. और वो सारी वेबसाइट कहाँ खुलती है? एक स्पेशल सॉफ्टवेयर में खुलती हैं जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वेब ब्राउजर. A web browser is a program used to locate and display web pages. It also helps the user to interact with text, images, video, music and other information located on the web pages. अब उस web browser में क्या होता है? There are different types of web pages, many web pages, and we get many types of text, images, videos, music. We can get the information in all these forms. Yes, some popular web browsers are, you all are knowing that, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. You all are using it also sometimes. Google, yes, Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser. Okay, it is a special software. So you have to learn the types of the web browser. Okay, that is Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Yes, dear children, is it clear to you? It's very easy. Now, web page. Now what is a web page? Okay, you have learned www, that is a world wide web. Web browser, it is a special software. Okay, now what is a web page? The individual pages that collectively form world wide web are known as web pages. Means एक individual page होता है when we are opening in a website. Okay, वो उस पेज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? web page. These pages contain text, graphics, audio, links and other pages. I will show you. See, dear children, this is the Google Chrome. It is a web browser. Okay, in the Google Chrome I have opened for you a web page. This is a web page. इसमें बहुत सारा text है, images है, graphics है, all the things are there. Is it clear to you? This is a web page. Yes, dear children, understood? So, moving on. Understood the meaning of web page? They may contain text, often underlined and colored, or a small image called an icon. We have seen such text or image when click takes one page to another page of information. If we click on any one of the icon, we can get the information further. Yes, the link connecting one page to another is called hyperlink. Now, that link, जब हम एक आइकन को क्लिक करते हैं and then we move on to another page, that link in between is known as hyperlink. जो एक पेज को दूसरे पेज से कनेक्ट करती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? hyperlink. Thus, hyperlinks allows you to move to other web pages with related information. When mouse pointer is moved to a hyperlink image, the pointer, that is our arrow, changes to hand symbol. When you will see, when you are when you are using your computers or laptops, you open a certain web page. Okay, जब आप देखोगे कि जो हमारा माउस पॉइंटर है वो एरो की जगह हैंड सिंबल में आ जाएगा, दैट मीन्स इट इज हाइपर लिंक्ड. ओके, वो हाइपर लिंक, उसमें अंदर ही अंदर बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस हैं और उन सब में इंफॉर्मेशन है डियर चिल्ड्रन. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? यस. Next, website. A website is a collection of one or more related web pages linked together through a system of hyperlinks. Now, website क्या है? One or more related web page का पूरा एक combination है. Yes, a website is similar to a magazine. जैसे कि आपकी book होती है. Okay, as you are having your computer books or any other books. वो एक बुक होती है, उसमें सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है और बहुत सारे पेजेस होते हैं. यस, यू कैन रिलेट इट, उसमें बहुत सारे पेजेस होते हैं. तो वेबसाइट के अंदर भी बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस होते हैं. यस, you can move from one page to another on a website using the hyperlinks in the same way that you flip through the pages of magazine. जैसे हम अपने बुक्स के पेजेस से मूव करते हैं, in the same way in a particular website we can move to one page to another with the help of the hyperlink. Is it clear to you dear children? Moving from one website to another is called net surfing. Now, एक वेबसाइट से दूसरी वेबसाइट पे जाना को क्या बोलते हैं? नेट सर्फिंग. यस, मूविंग फ्रॉम वन वेबसाइट to another website is called net surfing dear children. Is it clear to you? Next, web address. Now you have all learnt website. What is a website? अब web address क्या है? कुछ भी हम जैसे कि www.google.com, okay, www.yahoo.com, these all are the web address. Okay, a web address is the address or a location of a website on the internet, means a particular name जो हम देते हैं. Yes, जैसे कि गूगल, याहू और मिंत्रा और अमेजोन, ये सारी क्या है? वेब एड्रेस है. Is it clear to you dear children? Some interesting websites are, you should visit these websites, that is www.pineworld.in and kids.discovery.com. Yes, is it clear to you the whole portion? Yes, the part 1. Now, home page. Now, what is the home page? The home page is the opening page or the main page of the website. A home page typically contains introductory information about the website that has been accessed along with links to the further details of services or information on the website providers. Now dear children, tell me, in the textbooks or in the notebooks you are maintaining a index. Yes, जैसे आप एक इंडेक्स मेंटेन करते हो जिसमें आप बताते हो कि उसमें क्या क्या आपने लिखा है, या जैसे कि आपकी टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स होते हैं टेक्स्ट बुक में. ओके, देयर आर नेम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स. यस, तो उस वो हमको टेक्स्ट बुक क्या बताता है? इट सेज दैट इंडेक्स सेज टू अस दैट दीज ऑल आर द चैप्टर्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर बुक. In the same way, home page, it is an introductory page of the website. Yes, it tells us all the information which a website is having. Is it clear to you? Are you very much clear with the example? Yes. For example, if you visit the website of Pineworld, its home page will appear. Now, you are having the you can refer the textbook as well for this. See, I have opened a particular website for you, that is kidsdiscovery.com. This is a website and this is the home page. This is the home page because it is an introductory page. It gives me the information कि उसमें locations है, about है, curriculum है, gallery है, programs है, contact है. Different types of information it is giving me, that in this particular website we are having the information on all these topics. Yes, so it can be said an introductory page. Is it clear to you dear children? Next we are having now opening a website. To open a website, type this address in the address bar and then press the enter key. I know you all know it very well how to open the website. Yes, so you can type the address like www.pineworld.in and then press the enter key and then the home page will appear. The first page that you see, it's known as the home page because it gives you the information on all the topics which a website is having. Yes. So, a small action time is there in your textbook. Yes. You have to read the chapter till the topic opening a website. Yes, you will read it. You will mark all the short forms and full forms. Yes, dear children, and then you will do this action time in your textbook. After doing it, you will send me the photo shot of it. Yes, dear children, is it clear to you? I hope you have understood the part 1 of this chapter very well. If you are having any doubts, you can call me, dear children. We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all, dear children.